hence you being called greenhorns, feeling you are left out, and you think the country should follow the Kriegler recommendations in that light.
Absolutely, Mr. Chairman.
But Wanderi also thinks, just a minute, Commissioner, Wanderi also thinks that the executive commissioners, against the recommendations of the Kriegler Commission, is also a good thing?
Yes.
And is that a direct question?
Yes, it's a good thing.
You think we should have executive commissioners?
I think so.
At least a chair and the vice chair, the way you put it.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Is there a chance, Chair, also, and let's, we be honest, because we want to make things better, that whoever appointed you or proposed your name influenced the decisions you made in that commission? And therefore, the division that was there, because all these people came from somewhere, proposed by certain politicians.
Maybe any one of you can answer that question.
That really helps us in the way forward for the commission.
I can go.
Let us allow, is that...
does the current system allow for politicians to appoint people?
No, that's what
I thought you applied.
In paper, it doesn't. In practice, in the last four commissioners were actually appointees through certain politicians. That's a fact.
In actual fact, Commissioner Wanderi, and I will allow Commissioner Wanderi, then Commissioner Masit to close in answering that question, and I would want you to draw reference to the High Court decision that invalidated the manner in which you are appointed by having the Parliamentary Service Commission having 4 panelists, and it was largely felt that it was unconstitutional by the court. The court declared that particular act that led to your appointment as having been unconstitutional and said it was unfair for one institution to appoint 4 panelists. And that's why I asked you that particular question. And it's also common knowledge that then it was only 2 political players that participated in that process.
Can I say that the perception...
Hold on, Masit. Allow Wanderi 1 minute, then we'll close with you, 1 minute.
I want to say this is perception. I attended an interview and I qualified for the position of the commissioner. I was not aware there was politicians that were behind that.
Correct.
Therefore, if there is anything that this committee can recommend which can clear that perception for future, we are agreeable.
Okay. Thank you. Part of it is what we are doing, Commissioner. I can assure you. I would have asked you how you are related to Honorable Kanini Kega.
We are not related at all.
Let's avoid that food.
Yes. Mr. Chair. Let's also, Chair, before Commissioner Masit says anything, if we really want to help this country...
Hold on, Masit.
If we really want to help this country, we must be true to what we do, and we must face the facts. The facts are commissioners were proposed by certain politicians. If I was asked to substantiate, unfortunately, I don't want to go that route, I would. And they know the truth, except they want us to believe they just found themselves on a table for interview. And so if we want to help the future, we must stop politicizing the IEBC Commission by making sure the people who go there do not go there to protect the interests of certain politicians.
We hear you, Governor says, and that's why I cautioned Commissioner Wanderi that indeed the High Court agreed in the case filed by Omtata that the process through which you are appointed was unconstitutional because one institution was overbearing over all other stakeholders in an electoral process. Commissioner Masit, you are